Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do a voice call through Snapchat. It's super simple. So let's get right into it. On the bottom left corner, you can see that there is a chat emoji. That's where we're going to press to open up our chat with everybody. And now we choose who we want to call. I want to call Noah. So I press on Noah. And now all I have to do is on the top right corner, I have a choice between the phone emoji, which is the voice chat, or the video emoji, which is the video chat on the right side. I'm going to do the voice chat, so I'm going to press on the phone emoji. And now I'm calling my friend. I'll put him on speaker. Hey, what's up, man? Can you hear me?
Hey, bro, how's it going?
Chilling, man. Well, I appreciate great conversation, man. Well, I gotta go, all right?
Understood.
All right, love you, man.
Love you too.
And that's how you do a voice chat. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Have a good day, guys.